Hi guys, welcome to Sana Cooks. I hope you're doing well, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That will support us a lot.
Yes, welcome guys again. Welcome to Sana Cooks. Today we're making the Tunisian mhamsa, which is how to make pearled couscous, also known by Israeli couscous. Pearl couscous or mhamsa is a famous dish in the winter, and it's amazing for wintry, rainy, cold days.
Yes, that's true.
So guys, the ingredient to make this recipe, the pearl couscous soup, are 1 cup of fave beans, 1 cup of chickpeas soaked. You can use canned chickpeas, but if you're using the canned one, wait to the end to add your chickpeas, like when you're adding your pearl couscous. 1 cup of lentils, 1 cup of pearled couscous, also called Israeli couscous in North America, and in Tunis it's called mhamsa. 1 cup and a half of chopped onions, and 1 can of tomato paste. I'm using 1 tablespoon of harissa, or you can use hot sauce if you don't have harissa. And for my spices, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course the olive oils to cook with. So how to make vegan pearled couscous soup? We're gonna start by combining all the legumes and onion, olive oils on a cold water pan, while in the meantime having another pan boiling, because when you're cooking legumes you should always add boiled water so they don't stop cooking in the process. And why you should be making this soup this winter 2021 is because this soup is filled with legumes and it helps your immune system be stronger. I cook it and eat it because I am iron deficient, and this soup helps my iron levels increase with all the legumes and the vitamins, and the combination of the onions, the tomato and paprika, vitamin C helps absorb all of that. And once this is cooked, like what we will check for is the chickpeas. So we want to make sure that our chickpeas are soft. Then I will show you what's gonna happen next. So guys, extract this like mousse every time that it builds up, because we're gonna keep the water, we're not gonna replace the water, okay? That's like dust collecting. So the second step of how to make this soup is adding the tomato and the spices. You can add, if you want, some garlic. I love garlic, but my mother-in-law, hi mother-in-law Azuz, said this cooks only with onions. We don't add garlic to it, but I've seen people adding garlic to it if you want to add some garlic with your tomato. I'm gonna add my spices. Can you see how red it is? Excuse the noise in the back. That's Tarek making a sandwich because it's about lunchtime and he's not waiting for the mhamsa. He's gonna have it as a snack. My tomato is gonna simmer for about 20 minutes, and once I taste it and everything is good, I'm gonna add in my pearl couscous, and you can also add in some pepper if you want to. Full disclosure, I started cooking and filming, and I forgot totally about the celery, parsley and carrots, so I'm gonna add them now. Lucky I realize it when it is only like 15 minutes into the simmer step, and they are usually supposed to go in with the tomato, but 16 minutes is enough since I'm gonna cut them very, very, very small. So guys, as I mentioned, you can add some carrots and some celery at this point with the tomato, and always keep moving and checking your sauce, okay? And once the carrot and celery are ready, we're gonna add our pearled couscous, and this is how you make Tunisian pearl couscous soup, vegan, vegetarian, and all whole food made. Hi guys, my carrots are ready, my celery is ready. I'm gonna add some water because that's not enough liquid for my pearled couscous to cook. And this is how we make pearled couscous soup. Adding my pearled couscous. And this is gonna cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the pearl couscous are cooked. It's like a pasta type of cooking process, so just boil it until it's al dente or to your taste. And my Tunisian pearled couscous is almost ready, and this is how you make your kids eat more vegetables. You can make your kids eat more legumes, and how you make your kids have loads of nutrition in a soup. So my couscous pearl is ready. Pearl couscous is ready, and final touch will be to just add in some parsley at the end. And as I mentioned, you can add in some green pepper for more vegetables and more flavor. And bon appetit. I hope you will enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, it helps support me, and press the bell button to get notification when I post. I only post twice a week, on Wednesday and on Saturday. So if you want to see my new videos, press the bell button so you get notification from me. And please leave me a comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I really appreciate that, and it does help support me. Thank you so much, guys. It could take more harissa or hot sauce because this is supposed to be very spicy to warm you up in the winter. And today is a rainy day in Halifax, so I'm enjoying it while it's still warm. So guys, suggested meal for breaking the fast in Ramadan. That's what you usually do in Tunisia. It's soup and breaks. So my favorite meal will be, ta-da! That will be my breakfast meal, soup and oven made break baked on the oven. And you can also do the fried one that we had on the previous video. So how to make break, Tunisian break, is a previous video that I have already filmed, and how to make Tunisian mhamsa or how to make Tunisian pearled couscous is today's video, and they go really well together. So guys, I film my videos the same day because it's like a meal combination for me, and I do meal preps on my day off, so that's why I usually try to make them complementary to enjoy them together. No surprise, guys, they don't like soups. I try, but they don't, so I'm gonna probably make a deal with him at dinner to eat the soup if he wants to use the computer. Would that deal work? What do you think, guys? Let us know. Let me see his face. He's out of the screen. Oh. I'm not gonna tell you guys what just happened, what he just did.